If you're looking for tender pork with a yummy tropical flavor, you'll love today's recipe. Howard shows us how to make South Pacific pork chops in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If going to the South Pacific is on your bucket list, then you better start saving. Just for the fun of it, I checked out what the average airfare is, and let me tell you, it's a pretty penny. So while you're saving, I have just the thing so you can have the taste of the South Pacific without leaving home. All we do is saute a few thick-cut pork chops that we seasoned with a bit of salt and pepper. After both sides are golden, we take them out of the skillet, and in the same pan, we add the juice that we drained from a can of pineapple, a good amount of ketchup, a bit of water, some brown sugar, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. After this comes together, we toss in some chunked up pineapple, some sliced carrots, and a green pepper that we cut into chunks. Once the sauce heats up, we put the pork chops back in to cook through. Then fasten your seatbelt, because your taste buds are in for a tropical treat. Serve this over some white rice, which is perfect to soak up all that sauce. Do yourself a favor, head over to our website now so you can enjoy our South Pacific pork chops as soon as tonight. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tropical way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I'm not sure how I feel about the carrots in there with that sauce. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.